Welcome to the Bearded Chef series of informative videos. We hope you enjoy.
You need to watch this if you want to take your cooking up a notch. Let's discover the magic of kosher salt together. Kosher salt isn't just any salt. It's a coarse-grained wonder that chefs love for its texture and flavor. Unlike table salt, which is fine and sometimes has additives, kosher salt is pure and has larger crystals. This means you can control your seasoning better and enjoy a more gradual, even flavor. Cooks prefer it for seasoning meat, creating a perfect crust, or even for brining to keep things juicy. Plus, it's additive-free, giving you a clean, pure taste. Remember, because of its size, kosher salt measures differently. 1 teaspoon of table salt equals about 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. So, adjust your recipes accordingly. Next time you're in the kitchen, reach for kosher salt and watch your dishes come to life. Happy cooking!